It is a constant throughout human history, a dark stain on our civilization. But the battlefields of tomorrow will be unlike anything we have ever seen. Gone are the days of trenches and tanks. In their place, a new kind of war emerges. Imagine a battlefield dominated by sleek, autonomous machines. Drones fill the sky, their metallic bodies glinting in the sun. On the ground, robotic soldiers advance relentlessly, their artificial intelligence calculating every move. This is the future of warfare. This is a war fought with technology. Advanced weapon systems and sophisticated tactics will decide the fate of nations. At the heart of this technological revolution lies artificial intelligence. AI is changing the face of warfare. No longer are machines mere tools in the hands of humans. They are becoming partners, capable of independent thought and action. Imagine a squadron of AI-controlled fighter jets screaming through the sky at supersonic speeds. They react in milliseconds, analyzing threats and making split-second decisions. Their human counterparts struggle to keep up. On the ground, robotic soldiers fight with unwavering precision. They are immune to fear, fatigue, and doubt. They follow their programming with cold, calculating efficiency. These are not the clunky robots of science fiction. They are agile, lethal, and terrifyingly intelligent. Communication is key in this new era of warfare. Soldiers need to be connected, sharing information in real time. Gone are the days of crackling radios and decoded messages. Soldiers now rely on sophisticated neural interfaces. These implants allow them to communicate telepathically across vast distances. Imagine a small squad of soldiers infiltrating an enemy stronghold. They move silently through the shadows, their thoughts linked through their implants. They can sense each other's presence, share tactical information, and coordinate their attacks with deadly precision. The weapons of war have also evolved. Gone are the days of bullets and bombs. In their place are weapons of unimaginable power. Energy weapons unleash devastating blasts of energy, capable of vaporizing entire squads in an instant. Railguns fire projectiles at hypersonic speeds, piercing through the toughest armor. And then there are the nanobots. These microscopic machines can be programmed to target specific individuals or even entire populations. They are the ultimate weapon of stealth and precision, capable of silently eliminating targets without leaving a trace. The nature of warfare itself is changing. No longer are battles fought on clearly defined front lines. Cyber warfare is now a constant threat. Hackers wage war in the digital realm, crippling infrastructure and sowing chaos. The lines between civilian and military targets blur. Information is the new battleground. The side that controls the flow of information controls the narrative. Propaganda and disinformation run rampant, making it difficult to separate truth from fiction. Section 6. The human element. But even in this high-tech battlefield, the human element remains crucial. Soldiers may rely on advanced technology, but they are still the ones who make the decisions. They are the ones who must face the enemy and live with the consequences of their actions. The psychological toll of war is immense. Soldiers must grapple with the horrors of combat, the loss of comrades, and the moral dilemmas that arise in the heat of battle. Section 7. Ethical crossroads. The rise of autonomous weapons systems raises profound ethical questions. Can we entrust the decision of life and death to machines? Who is responsible when an AI-controlled weapons system malfunctions or commits a war crime? These are questions that we must answer now, before it is too late. The future of warfare is here, and it is up to us to shape it responsibly. Section 8. A new age of warfare. The future of warfare is a double-edged sword. Technology has the potential to make war more precise and less destructive, but it also has the potential to make war more impersonal and easier to wage. The choices we make today will determine the course of warfare for generations to come. We must proceed with caution, ensuring that technology is used to prevent war, not to fuel it. Section 9. The uncertain horizon. The future of warfare is uncertain, but one thing is clear. Technology will continue to play a pivotal role. The battlefields of tomorrow will be shaped by the choices we make today. We must be prepared for a new age of warfare, one where the lines between man and machine are increasingly blurred. The future of war is in our hands. Let us hope that we have the wisdom to use it wisely.